Now question 4. I'm going to use the quotient rule, right? So G prime of S is derivative of cotangent S is negative cosecant S squared, right? And then times S, so I put S in the front, right? Minus derivative of S equals 1, right? So I only have cotangent S left over S squared, right? Now, question 5. F prime of S is, I'm going to use the quotient rule, right? So derivative of 1 equals 0, multiplied by this one equals 0, minus derivative of 2 cosine S, it will be negative 2 sine S, right? Over 2 cosine S all together square, right? Now I'm going to simplify this one. Negative, negative becomes positive. I have 2 right here and the bottom 2 square equals 4, right? So I cancel out, so it's going to be sine S on the top. The bottom should be 2 cosine square S, right? Now question 6, y prime equals, rewrite number 5, right? Now I'm going to use the product rule, right? So derivative of S equals 1, right? So it will be secant S only, right? Plus derivative of secant S equals secant S tangent S, right? And then times S, it will be S times secant S tangent S, right? That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.